My dangerous experience. Life is a journey filled with unexpected twists and turns, and occasionally, we find ourselves confronted by the unexpected and the perilous. One such defining moment in my life occurred when I had a dangerous encounter that left an indelible mark on my memory. This essay recounts the events of that fateful day, exploring the emotions, lessons, and reflections that emerged from this harrowing experience. It was a seemingly ordinary day that quickly transformed into a nightmare. The sun hung low in the sky, casting long shadows across the landscape as I embarked on a routine adventure with friends. Little did I know that this outing would take a perilous turn, catapulting us into a situation fraught with danger. Our group, fueled by the intoxicating thrill of exploration, ventured into an unfamiliar terrain. The surroundings became increasingly wild, and the path less defined. Unbeknownst to us, we had unwittingly entered an area known for its unpredictable weather and treacherous terrain. As the skies darkened ominously, we pressed on, oblivious to the impending danger that loomed above. Suddenly, with a deafening roar, the heavens unleashed their fury. Torrential rain pounded down, turning the once manageable trails into mudslides. Thunder rumbled ominously, and lightning danced across the sky, casting eerie shadows on the landscape. Panic set in as we struggled to find shelter, our surroundings morphing into a chaotic battleground of elements. As the tempest raged on, we faced the grim reality that we were ill-equipped to combat the forces of nature. The once leisurely excursion had transformed into a battle for survival. Fear gripped us, but there was no time for paralysis. With adrenaline pumping through our veins, we navigated the treacherous terrain, desperately seeking refuge from the impending disaster. In the crucible of danger, profound lessons emerged. The experience taught me the importance of preparedness and respect for nature's unpredictable temperament. It underscored the significance of quick thinking and adaptability in the face of adversity. The camaraderie forged in that moment of crisis demonstrated the strength of human connection and the ability to overcome challenges collectively. In the aftermath of this dangerous escapade, I found myself reflecting on the fragility of life and the unpredictable nature of our journey. The harrowing experience served as a poignant reminder of the value of each moment and the resilience hidden within us when confronted with danger. Life's journey is a tapestry woven with both joyous and perilous threads. My dangerous experience became a defining chapter in this narrative, leaving me with lasting impressions and a newfound appreciation for the unpredictability of life. As I emerged from the shadows of that ordeal, I carried with me not only the scars of a perilous encounter but also the wisdom gained from navigating the abyss and emerging stronger on the other side.